Hello children, today we are going to understand the concept of heavy and light. Well, some objects can be lifted easily while others cannot. Do you know why? This is because different objects have different weight. Some objects are more in weight and they are called heavy objects, while the others which are less in weight are called light objects. So let us understand this, okay? See children, I have taken a cotton and a block. Now I will try to lift these two items one by one, okay? So while lifting this block, I need to hold it with both my hands. I cannot lift it with one hand. And when it's time for the cotton, see children, I can easily lift it with one hand. Do you know why? So, you all know it because the block is more in weight and the cotton is less in weight. So, this is a heavy object and this one is a light object. Now children, let us see one more example. See, I have taken a book and a piece of paper. Again, I will try to lift this book. See, I cannot lift it. It's very heavy. I need to hold it with both my hands, okay? And for the piece of paper, I can easily lift it with one hand. I don't need to use both my hands. So, now you will tell me which one is heavy and which one is light. The book is more in weight, so this is heavy, and the paper is very less in weight, so the paper is light, okay? So let us understand further with few more examples. Now children, when we go to a park, we love to play with a seesaw, isn't it? See, I have a seesaw in front of me and I have two more friends who also love to play in the seesaw. Let's bring them. See, this is an elephant and this is a rabbit. So both of them want to sit on the seesaw. So now the rabbit jumps onto the seesaw and see, the seesaw went down. Okay, why? Because of the weight of the rabbit and also the other side of the seesaw is empty. Now it's time for the elephant. So let's bring the elephant also. Okay, see children, the seesaw again moves down on the side of the elephant. Can you tell me why? Because the elephant is big and more in weight than the rabbit. So the elephant is heavy and the rabbit is light in weight. Let us understand further with the help of few more examples. See children, this is a weighing scale. Have you ever seen this weighing scale? When you went to the market with your mama, you have seen the shopkeeper measures different vegetables using this weighing scale. So today, I will also weigh the different objects using this weighing scale. So first, I am taking this lemon, okay? So let me put it in one basket. See, it goes down. Now I will take another object, that is an apple. So let me put it in another basket. Okay. Okay. See children, this basket goes down. This is because the weight of the apple is more than that of the lemon. So this one is heavy and this one is light. So now let's see some more examples of it. I have taken a leaf. So I am going to place in one basket and in the another basket I am going to place the block. See children, the difference is the moment I put the block in the basket, it goes down because it is heavy, while the basket containing the leaf is less in weight. So it rises up and this one is light. So now I am going to show you another set of example. Okay. Now I have taken a candle, and I am going to put it in one basket. And I have taken a torch, so I am going to put it in another basket. Now I am just removing my hand and see the difference. See, the basket goes down because you tell me. Do you know the reason? Of course you all know it. Because the torch is more in weight than that of candle. So this one is heavy and this one is light. So children, what we understand today is the objects which are more in weight are called heavy objects and the ones which are less in weight are called light objects. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
I hope you loved this real video by Real Educators. Please do subscribe to our channel.